Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fast forward a video in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a blank project open, and I have imported a video which I will be using to edit, and I will place it into the timeline by dragging and dropping it here. Now, the way that you can fast forward a video, if you want the entirety of the video to be fast forwarded, make sure it is selected and go to speed and increase the speed however much you want. The max is 16 times, so that is pretty much it. Now, an alternative, if you want to speed up one part of the video, you do need to isolate that part of the video by using the split tool. As you can see here, you need to place the marker at the beginning of the part that you want to speed up. Either click the scissors or press the S key on your keyboard, and then go to the end part of the part that you want to actually speed up, and do the same here. And now, since this is the part that we're going to be speeding up, make sure it is selected, drag the marker over it, and if you want to speed this part up, you just go into speed and then go and speed it up. Now, as you can see, it has been shortened, and there is a blank sort of gap between that and this here. To delete it, all you have to do is press this trash can or manually drag it over here, and whoops, that sort of positioned itself, and just drag it here until you see the purple line. That'll mean it is aligned. And once you do that, if you play the video from here, you'll see this going normally, and then it'll speed up for this part, and then everything else will continue normally. If you export it, you'll have that part of the video sped up, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.